Bybit Exchange Review 2025. Bybit is a cryptocurrency exchange known for its focus on derivatives trading and a platform designed for both beginners and experienced traders. Founded in 2018 and headquartered in Dubai, Bybit has grown to become a significant player in the crypto exchange market. Sign up via the link in the video description below to open your account. Low trading fees, as Bybit is consistently praised for its low fees across spot, margin, and futures trading. They offer a tiered fee structure, which becomes even more competitive for high-volume traders. This is a significant advantage for active traders. Wide selection of cryptocurrencies. Bybit offers a substantial number of cryptocurrencies, 100 over 650 King, providing users with access to a diverse range of trading pairs, including numerous altcoins. Comprehensive trading platform. Bybit provides a feature-rich trading platform catering to various trading styles, spot trading for direct buying and selling of cryptocurrencies, derivatives trading offering perpetual futures, futures contracts, and options with high leverage and up to 100 times. Margin trading allows leverage trading in spot markets. Trading bots. A wide selection of trading bots are available, including Duca, grid bots, and AI program bots suitable for automated trading strategies. Copy trading enables users to follow and copy the trades of experienced traders with features like Smart Copy Mode for risk management and Advanced Copy Mode for customization. User-friendly platform. Bybit offers both desktop and mobile platforms that are generally considered intuitive and easy to use, even with the platform's advanced features. The platform is customizable to suit different trading preferences. Advanced trading tools. Bybit integrates advanced charting from TradingView, providing traders with comprehensive tools for technical analysis. It also supports high-frequency trading with a fast matching engine and market data updates every 20 milliseconds. Demo account. Bybit offers a demo trading environment with a generous starting balance of $100,000 in virtual funds. This allows users to practice trading strategies and familiarize themselves with the platform without risking real capital. Bybit Earn products. Bybit offers a suite of Earn products for users to generate passive income on their crypto holdings, including savings at 2.0 staking, liquidity mining, and dual asset security focus. Bybit emphasizes security with measures like cold wallet storage for the majority of funds, multi-signature addresses, cell encryption, and two-factor authentication and 2FAC. They also maintain 11G1 reserve of all customer assets. Customer supporting. Bybit offers customer support via live chat, although some reviews mention wait times can vary. Key features. Summary. Trading spot, margin futures, options, perpetual swaps, trading bots, copy trading, earn products as savings, Eth20, liquidity mining, dual asset, fiat support, accepts over 65 fiat currencies for deposits as of late 2024, but fiat withdrawal availability may vary. Security and cold wallet storage, 2FA cell encryption, multi-signature addresses, SAFU fund, 11G1 asset reserves, mobile apping available for iOS and Android, mirroring desktop platform functionality, customer supporting live chat, multilingual support. Who is Bybit best for? Derivatives and leverage traders. Bybit excels in derivatives trading, offering high leverage and advanced tools. Day traders. The platform's desktop interface, charting tools, and fast execution make it suitable for day trading strategies. Bot and copy traders. The wide variety of trading bots and copy trading features are a major draw. DECA investors. The platform's diverse cryptocurrency selection and integrated DK investment tools are beneficial for dollar cost averaging strategy. Experienced crypto traders. Since traders seeking a wide range of altcoins and advanced trading features will find Bybit appealing. Sign up via the link in the video description below to open your account. Overall summary. Bybit is a robust and feature-rich cryptocurrency exchange particularly well-suited for traders interested in derivatives and advanced trading tools. It offers competitive fees, a wide selection of cryptocurrencies, and a user-friendly platform, although beginners might need some time to navigate all the features. Users should be mindful of regulatory considerations and the general risks associated with cryptocurrency exchange.